Hey everybody, welcome to day 2 of grammar. Yesterday we worked with the articles a and an, and you learned that when you have a word that comes after a that starts with a consonant, you're always going to use that article a consonant sound. If the word after an article comes with a vowel sound, you are going to use the article an. Now, today and tomorrow, we're going to be working with a prefix. What a prefix is, un and re. And what you will be able to do by Friday is know the meaning of the prefix un and re and how you can add it to base words. All right, so let's look at what a base word again. A base word is the original word without anything added to it, such as do, think, read. We've added nothing to the beginning and we've added nothing to the end. Now, if you look at here, you have the base word think. Then what we did is we added something to the beginning of it, we added something to the end of it. And that is what we're working with this week is the prefixes un and re. All right, so let's look at what a prefix is. Where does it go on a word and what does it do? Okay, prefixes are word parts added to the beginning of words to change the meaning of the word. So here you have the base word of do. You add re to it. That's one of the ones we're working on this week, and it means to do again. If you add the prefix un to the beginning of a word, like happy, that's your base word, then you get not happy. So re means do again, and un means not. Now, this one we're going to work on next week, and this is pre. So we added it to heat, and that means to heat before you do something. So pre means before. But mainly this week, we're worried about the re and the un. All right, so let's look at some of them in words. Remember, your base word is the word that is there before you add anything to the beginning and anything to the end. And a prefix always goes at the beginning. So if you notice, I have UN with a letter right there. That dash right there takes the place, or the hyphen takes the place of a letter. So in this chart right here, we see the base words happy, well, certain, comfortable, lucky, safe, helpful, kind, chained, tidy. When we add the prefix un to it, it's going to totally change the meaning of the base word happy. We have unhappy, not happy, unwell, not well, uncertain, not certain about something, unsure, uncomfortable, no longer comfortable, not, unlucky, not lucky, unsafe, not safe, unhelpful, not helpful, unkind, not kind, unchained, not chained up any longer, and untidy, very dirty because you're not tidy. So see how the prefix works. It goes before the base word. So here's our base word, happy, lucky, kind, high, true. And then you put the un before them. And the un doesn't just go before every word. You start recognizing the words it goes before. And it means not. So not happy, not lucky, not kind, not tied, not true. Unhappy, unlucky, unkind, untie, untrue. And un means not. All right, so that's our prefix un. And then this is a chart that is a lot of the words that the un goes before. And in prefix un, unable, unafraid, unbearable, unbelievable, uncertain, uncomfortable, uncover, undo, unexpected, unfair, unfamiliar, unfinished, unfortunate, unfortunately, unhappy, unhelpful, unkind, unknown, unlock, unlucky, unwilling, unwell, unwanted, unusual, not usual, untrue, untie, untidy, unsafe, unpleasant, unpack. And if you notice, un is always its own syllable because it's a chunk of sound added to the beginning of a word that totally changes the meaning. Okay, let's look at a prefix in action. Un means not. Sherry is not lucky. Sherry is unlucky. Sentence means the same thing. We've just taken lucky, we've taken out the word not, and we've added the prefix un. Then we have Edward is not kind. Edward is unkind. Same thing. We just took out the word not, we added the prefix to the word. Harry spread a rumor that was not true. Harry spread a rumor that was untrue. All right? So that is our prefixes, and that is un, meaning not. All right? So have a good day, and I'll see you tomorrow, or I'll talk to you tomorrow.